You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary like this in English with silent letters, in particular fantastic pronunciations of very confusing words, I've got more videos for you. Island is the English pronunciation. Yes, the S is definitely silent. The I at the beginning is pronounced I, then the S is silent, and then land. Alright, it's not island. Island, it's a schwa sound and a sound. Island, how to pronounce island. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.